If you work on a Mac with an M processor, so with Apple native silicon, this situation might be very familiar to you when you're processing with PixInsight. So I want to continue editing my picture. I want to look at the aberration inspector. If all the corners are really good, I go to script. And here we have the PixInsight native script aberration inspector, and I get this. And this is recorded more than 3 months after this version was released. Hey, this is View into Space. I'm Sasha from Switzerland. So grüezi miteinander and thanks for watching my channel. But hey, let's do something cool. I think there are some dark structures. So I go script, utilities, dark structure enhance, and we get the same. And this is now from an external developer who perhaps doesn't exist anymore, doesn't care anymore. So if you are on a native Apple Silicon Mac, you know this suffering. And the irony is that actually PixInsight at the moment pushes for people to use it with native Apple Silicon because it performs now so well. And that's true. But the afterthought that it will make sense to also update in the scripts did not really pass them. Instead, they're working on some AI denoising, which is already existing with Noise Exterminator and Prism and so on. But anyway, so the question is, what can we do? And today I have the good news that thanks to somebody who jumped in and helped us, we can use all these scripts again. And I will show you how. But let's actually start by what happened. And what happened is that on the 12th of May this year, so exactly about 3 months ago, PixInsight released 1.9.4, which had one huge change, which meant changing to the new V8 JavaScript runtime. And beside that, there's a lot of advantages anyway. It had the huge benefit that now, finally, after an eternity, PixInsight got native Mac Silicon support. So it didn't have to go through Rosetta anymore. And the reason why they did it is because otherwise, in about a month, PixInsight would not have run anymore on our Macs. And I have to say, it really makes a huge difference. Since this update is out, I stack again with PixInsight because it's now blazing fast. And also otherwise, everything goes much smoother. It's much more stable. So beside that it was long overdue, it was a very welcome change. But there was one problem, and that is that with this new JavaScript runtime, all scripts do not work anymore. And that's what we just saw in PixInsight, these red lines saying, sorry, outdated script does not run anymore. That's not an issue for everybody else because the old JavaScript engine is still working for Windows and for Intel-based Macs or Linux. That's still working. And what's really impressive to see was how fast most of the developers made these changes and made these scripts available to us. So one night later, on May 13, when there was some outcry because of that, Vicent from PixInsight made the very strange move of publishing a list of non-supported scripts on Facebook. Not here in PixInsight in the forums, not in Cloudy Nights, but on Facebook. Why ever? And this list was never updated afterwards. It was a one-time dump. Here is it, deal with it, and never heard of him again about that. And I was sure that this is okay. This is a week or two, and they have now to finish actually cleaning that up. But then the weeks went by and stuff like their denoising solution started to appear, which definitely needs a lot of their resources. And they simply forgot about these scripts. So in such a situation, who are you going to call? Ghostbusters? Fortunately, there is something better, and that's Masters of PixInsight. So Peter Proulx from Masters of PixInsight felt they should actually stick to their names and be the masters. And in a heroic act, they actually ported all these scripts. And the link, which I will put in the description below, is at the same time the homepage link of this site which you see right here, and it's also the repository link. And below here is a list of all the scripts that they have ported. And if we're now back in PixInsight, once you have actually added this as usual in resources, update, manage repositories, add this URL here, update it, restart it, and then in script, you find here Masters of PixInsight version 8, and here are all these scripts. Some here are duplicates. That's because before you had to do it manually, so it's not that much as it seems here, but all of the important ones are there. You have the abbreviation inspector, and just as a proof, it works like a charm. DB extract actually in the last days got updated. So here with the suite Astrocitas, you find it now again in a working form, but then you have dark structure enhanced, you have game, advanced star masks, and so on. So about 95% of all scripts that at the moment do not work, I think they already ported. And they say if you know a script which does not run yet and you would like to have it ported, contact them. The email address is actually on their homepage. So you can write it to them, they take requests and they port them. And the good part is, as they have a separate directory, it will never intervene with the original scripts. And they also actually, where they could, they contacted the authors of these original scripts, ask for their approval that they can actually port it. So this is all legit, legal, and actually very welcome, I think, by a lot of people who do not have the capability or the time or whatever anymore to do this porting themselves. And if you want to know how they actually ported it with Cloud Code and you would like to port some of them yourself, Masters of PixInsight will also in the near future do a free workshop where they will show how this porting works. So you could be another volunteer who helps in this effort. Unfortunately or unfortunately, how you want to see that, the whole story that I told you now shows what we have seen again and again and again in the last years. On one side, there is PixInsight with their staff who just don't care at all about their users. But to end this video on a good note, and that's also a constant over all these years, there's amazing volunteers in this PixInsight universe. And it thanks to all to them. Thanks to Pete here. Thanks to Frank. Thanks to Jürgen with Toolbox. Thanks to Bill Blanchen and Adam Block. Thanks to Russ Croman. It's to all of them creating all these scripts, a lot of them for free, that we have this amazing solution right now. And so, as the PixInsight guys do not do that, at least from me here, a heartfelt thank you to all of you who support PixInsight and to keep it alive with all your great contributions. With that, see you next time and clear skies.